Happy Thursday, everybody. Give me a thumbs up if you are ready for our art party. Woohoo! Good to hear. Okay, so let me add as my spotlight. So you should have your paper, your pencil, and your eraser ready. Ooh. Oh, I see a lot of new faces. Who's first time doing our art party today?
Sophie and Kylie, my cousin.
Oh, wow. Your cousins are here. Good to have family and friends join us today.
Hey.
Does everybody see my paper?
Yeah, I see your paper. And last time I made a food bowl with you.
Oh, you still have it? I'm so happy.
Eraser.
All right, so let me put my face here. Hello, welcome. We still have some people joining us. Just get your pencil, your paper, and your eraser ready. Last time we did landscape wise. So this time we're gonna go up and down like portrait style. So it's like a hamburger. Welcome, welcome. We're just settling in. Grab your pencil, paper, and eraser.
Hi.
Hamburger. Yes? Okay, I'm gonna make my screen bigger. So let me remove this one. All right, do you see my screen now?
Yes.
Really big, right? Woohoo. Okay, guess what shape we're gonna start with?
A circle.
Well, you're absolutely right. So remember, I'm going to draw with markers so it's easy for you guys to see. But use your pencil and eraser so if you make any mistakes, you can erase it.
But I'll
Okay?
use this just in case when I use it.
Okay, so we're going to start off with a big circle at the top of our paper because we need to draw it more on the bottom. So I'm going to start my pencil up here and draw a nice big circle. Go slowly. Welcome, you guys. We're just getting started. You can get a pencil. Yes. Well, I'm using a marker so you guys can see, but use a pencil so if you make a mistake, you can erase it. So get your pencil, eraser, and paper. Draw a big circle at the top.
My
Make
marker
sure
on my it's time to erase with that one, but this one, so I'll use that one.
So make sure there's space on the bottom of your gumball machine because we have to draw a lot more underneath. Does everybody have their circle?
Yeah. Yes. Wait, mine. I don't have it yet. Don't have my circle.
No worries.
I have my circle.
Yay. Okay. So we're drawing a big circle towards the top of my paper.
Not my little sister yet.
All right. Now that we have a big circle, we're going to start drawing the sides, kind of like a dress or a skirt for our gumball. So everybody put their pencil right here.
Right here?
Okay, it's not going to be in the middle. You want it to be a little bit far, so that way we have lots of space to fill in our gumball machine. So
I cannot hear you. All the way down? All the way down? You're muted.
oh no, thank you. Hello, can you hear me? Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and draw a slanted line down here, kind of like a skirt on both sides of your gumball machine. You guys see that?
I did it.
Yay! Make sure there's space on the bottom, and then you're gonna connect it with a straight line all the way across.
I got it. I already did both of them.
Awesome. So it's kind of like a skirt or shirt, but we're not drawing a person today. We're drawing a gumball machine. All right. When you're done with that, what we're going to do next is we're going to draw the top of the gumball machine, kind of like a hat. So we're going to draw a nice rainbow curve at the top of your circle. Have you seen a?
It looks like a ballerina.
Ooh, ballet.
This is how I did so far.
It looks like a person with a bump.
That looks like a person.
It looks like a person with a hat. It looks like a person with a hat.
I can't really
Yes,
see
it
the top.
does. So the top is just going to be a little small half circle at the top.
Oh, okay.
Looks like an
Okay,
ice cream.
now we're going to draw the opening for our gumball machine. So I'm going to draw another rainbow, but it's going to be a little bit tinier. It's going to go like this, kind of like a door to a castle. Have you guys seen a gumball machine where it swirls down and down and down? Those are fun.
Yeah. Yeah, I've seen them in stores.
Yes, they're a lot of fun. Sometimes they have not gumballs inside, but they have toys, right? Those are fun.
Mommy, did we see a Gumball? I don't.
Yes.
Mommy, is that a Gumball?
I've seen a gumball machine before. And this is
Yes, those are fun. They have lots of gumballs.
eat a Gumball. I never seen one. Me too. I've seen.
Yeah, sometimes gumballs, they could fit a bajillion gumballs inside. Okay, we're gonna move on to the next step, you guys. So our next step is we're gonna draw kind of like a house around your door for the gumball to come down. Okay, and then we're gonna draw a curve. So we're gonna draw kind of like almost like a square. This is like a square shape. And we're gonna put our pencils here. You're gonna do one curve and then another curve. So that way it gives a path for the gumball to fall down.
I accidentally drew it too small, the door.
That's okay, you can make it bigger. You can erase it and try again. If you guys could choose a color of a gumball, what color would you choose?
Blue, yellow,
pink.
Blue, yellow, pink, those are all fun colors.
Gray.
blue.
Great.
I'm going to choose the color blue.
Yes, those are fun.
Pink. I'm going to choose the color orange.
Ooh,
Mine is
orange is
pink.
nice.
Pink.
So does everybody have their door and their pathway?
Red.
Ooh, red's my favorite color, actually. Oh,
Pink.
good. Okay, we're gonna
My
move on to
favorite
our
color
next
is
step.
rainbow.
Oh, rainbow gumball would be
My
nice.
favorite
We're
color
gonna
is
move on.
also rainbow. My favorite color is my favorite color is it's rainbow.
My favorite color is blue and red.
Oh,
My
I love all these
favorite
colors.
My favorite red and purple. Rainbow. My favorite color is yellow.
Yay, I love all those colors. Okay, let's move on. We're gonna do our next step.
color is pink.
We're gonna draw a line on the bottom of your gumball machine, but instead of closing it here, you're gonna add a bump. So one bump on this side and another bump on this side. So it kind of looks like the bottom of a nice gumball machine. Oh my God.
Unmute me.
After, we're gonna draw
I can't see
a
the bottom.
table.
I can't see the bottom.
Ooh, let me see.
You press the minus.
Right here. Oh, mine's a little
I
big
can't
on one
see the
side. Try to
bottom.
make it the same.
Move your paper up, please.
Oh.
Thank you.
All right, so now we're going to draw a table behind the gumball machine so it's not a floating gumball. So we're gonna draw a line all the way to the end of my paper. And you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. I'm so excited to add all these gumballs inside.
Me too. I want you green.
So now that we have our table, we're gonna draw some gumballs. I think a good place to start is to put a gumball here, right where it comes out.
I'm doing mine first.
So make sure your gumballs are pretty big so that way you have space to draw a face or anything you or design on your gumball. Don't draw it too small. And then we're gonna start adding more gumballs, but inside of the gumball machine itself. So next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a gumball right in the middle.
4.
So we're gonna draw one gumball here. And then we're gonna go right underneath. Don't connect them. It might look like a snowman. So now we have 3 gumballs. All right, and then the next side, we're gonna draw a circle here on this side. Try to make the circles about the same size. Make sure your gumballs are not too tiny or too big. Then it wouldn't come out of the gumball machine.
What? You see my arm?
Okay, so next we're gonna add 2 more up here. So 1 and 2.
Instead of doing your steps, I'm doing a lot of gumballs.
A bajillion gumballs. That sounds fun. We're gonna fill up our gumball machine with 2 more circles.
Maybe this one. 40.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
I
Great.
filled it in. See?
Yay. That's awesome. So we're gonna add gumballs on the outside. Maybe they all fell out. So I'm gonna add a circle over here.
You okay?
So many gumballs. So 1, 2, and maybe 1 over here.
I added too many gumballs.
So you can add as many or as much as
I think
gumballs
they
as you
kind of
like.
spill out.
Yes.
I have the ceiling gumballs.
I'm going to put eyes on them.
Yeah, so right now you can decorate your gumballs however you like. So like this
Look at
one,
the
you could
gumball.
put a cute smiley face with the tongue sticking out, kind of like an emoji.
Right now, I'm just gonna color.
And then 2 circles and a smiley face. So you can decorate your gumballs like you want to. You can even make a bear gumball. I like bears. You can add a bear gumball.
Done doing my.
Yay! So decorate each of your gumballs.
I'm adding 6 gumballs on the table.
That's a lot. I could eat them all at one time. This one you can have your own designs like shapes. So you can have hearts, you could put a rainbow. Have fun with each gumball.
Wire. I like wire. Arrow, can I color the gumball?
This is the best
We're
part.
almost done and then we're gonna color. So as you finish up adding details in your gumballs,
My color?
maybe I'll put this one as a surprised face, like, oh my gosh.
I add a smiley face on it.
Oh yeah, smiley faces are so much fun to draw. I like these faces too.
I don't think the gumball don't need face.
You can add your own design.
This was the best art project I ever
Maybe
did.
I'll do a small sleepy face. Or maybe a cat over here.
I don't know what to add.
If you guys know how to draw a star, you can add a star in one of your gumballs.
Okay, so let's see.
have fun. Make each gumball unique. Maybe you can draw. Oh, maybe you guys are talking about donuts. You can draw a donut gumball. I wonder if there's a donut flavored gumball. That would sound really good. Can make this one stripes.
If maybe it would be Dunkin' Donuts,
I have a donut gumball.
probably might be
Ooh.
flavored. Yeah.
Hi, Ava and Chris.
So if you want to add a design on your wall, you can. It's always fun to draw stripes on your wall. So you can draw a line over here and color it in for each one. So you can have your gumball.
Okay, now we need the brain.
So once we're done finishing all of these fun parts up, we're gonna start coloring. But before we start coloring, can I see your gumball machines? What do you guys have so far? Oh, these look great.
I have some bear gumballs.
That's so nice. So I want to take a quick picture of just your drawing, and then we'll take another picture later of your coloring it. So can everybody say cheese? Yay!
Excuse me.
One, like when I made like a fox, and I made like this.
Go say cheese. Hold it up. There's a lot of kids say cheese, or you can say gumball.
Gumball.
Yay! These are
Gumball.
so great.
I'm not done yet. Hi, Ava. Hi, Krista.
So now that we're done mostly drawing, if you're not done drawing, you can catch up. You can start coloring. It's always fun to draw. If you have painting supplies, markers, color pencils, crayons, you can color whatever you want and use whatever you have at home. Ooh, that's a lot of colors. I have my color pencils actually. And you can start coloring in your gumballs. And the big fun part, I'm going to start off with orange because that's coming out. You can start coloring your gumballs. Make sure to color neatly, stay inside the lines, inside each circle as you color. Which one are you going to color first? What colors are you guys choosing?
I'm using orange. My favorite color.
Orange, like me?
Pink. I'm using all the fires.
Oh, those are so fun.
Make it
You're
rainbow
using a
color.
lot of
A
colors.
lot of accessories in here.
That's fun. Now, I want you guys to finish coloring this. I know we only have about 8 more minutes, but I'm so excited to see everybody's gumball.
Now.
These are so fun. Have fun with your colors. I'm gonna make my bear gumball blue. A blue bear.
Other thing. Pencil or something. Yellow.
Can color it nice and neat.
Yeah, would you like to color this?
Yeah, you can share with us your coloring when you're done with all of your
So that means no.
gumball coloring. And share it with us. You can show us on our Facebook, our Instagram.
You can't do
I'd love to see everyone's finished gumball machine.
nothing.
And I hope you make it super colorful because not all gumballs are the same color.
Nothing.
Ooh, I should have put sunglasses on one of my gumballs.
Okay. I think I'm gonna go with purple.
Ooh, purple is a nice color. He's coloring nice and neat.
Yeah. I think and Lisa.
Have I told you this joke yet? What do you call a bear with no teeth?
Yeah. No teeth. Gummy bear.
A gummy bear, you know that joke. It's so funny. I love that joke so much.
Me too.
Oh, but I love
That's what my
gummy
dad told
bears.
me that.
Gummy bear. Gummy bear. You ever
bears are
seen a
so
gummy bear
delicious.
song?
What's the gummy bear song? Is that the one with the green one?
Gummy bear song. I have heard the gummy bear song, and it has the tiny green bear.
Oh, and it dances silly, right?
Yeah. And he's in a car
I love
also.
that song.
Drives in a car.
I don't think I would eat that gummy bear.
He also drives a car. You see mine?
Oh, that's so nice.
You're gonna need a rainbow of colors. Like mine?
A rainbow gumball. That sounds really fun.
You like my
When
dough?
you mix, I love yours. Good
Birdie
job. I wonder if there's a gumball song.
Yeah, there is a gumball. This is my
This
gumball.
Gumball cartoon character.
A gumball cartoon character. I'm actually gonna make my frosting pink on this one. These are looking great. Oh, that's so nice.
Oh my god.
No.
These gumball machines look so delicious.
I have a question.
Yes. What is your question?
What are we gonna do tomorrow?
Tomorrow, so the next art party will be a surprise, but make sure you follow us on our website, just like how you found our art party today, and to sign up for more art parties. Did you guys have fun today?
Yeah.
I had so much fun. I love drawing yummy things with you guys.
Yes.
Oh, that's so nice.
I'm not done yet.
Oh, that's beautiful. I want to put all these gumballs in my house, gumball machines in my house.
I'm not done yet.
I wish there was a gumball machine for like maybe what is other machines they have? Like toys. I like the ones with toys in it, like surprise toys and
I
stickers.
almost got my name.
Oh, look,
My bio name.
some of my gumballs are evil.
Evil. I don't know if I want to eat that one.
Ah.
We just have a couple more minutes. So while you guys are coloring, I'm going to share with you how you can subscribe to us. We have a lot of drawing videos and art parties that we try to hold as much as we can.
Oh my.
Go to our website. Let me share our screen.
Oh, so what is
Hi.
Nog officieel ouders of do you think they can hear?
Hi.
Hello.
These are gumball.
Yeah, so you could go to our website. We have lots of drawing, fun videos, so you guys can try other fun tips and ideas on art things. But we're so happy to have you here to join us for another art party. Are you guys excited to join to our next one? I want to see you gumball machines one more time. So now